Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사.
Good morning, everyone. Maybe I should go eat at the coffee table. So update on Dobby, we started doggy training. The other issue I had aside from his separation anxiety, like he's really strong on the leash. We're working on it, but he's gotten so much better just from like one session. Clearly, someone has not been doing the laundry. Dobby, come over here and help me do some laundry. I'm looking forward to this summer because I plan on doing some more traveling. I just booked my flights to Paris. We're going for fun, but we're also going to be doing a little puffy shoot there for our spring summer clothes. And believe it or not, I have never been to any country in Europe. I don't know if you guys have been noticing, I have been getting a little bit more active on Instagram. As a long form content creator, short form content was very, very challenging for me. I started getting more into it and now I love making them. I think it's really different from making YouTube videos and there's something very enjoyable in that. I'm currently in my closet trying to film a voiceover. Let's get ready for bed. Oh, I messed up. Yeah. This video is too short for all the stuff that I'm trying to say. I need to condense what I'm trying to say because that was way too long. What am I saying? I'm talking too much. This is my... How glamorous is my office today? I am about to head out to dinner. It's a Friday night. Yes, I have plans. For my outfit, I am wearing a little puffy. This is the satin ribbon top in black, which is coming soon. I'm so excited. Vegan leather pants from Oak and Fork. And my jewelry is Aurate, of course. I'm wearing the Tranquility Collection that I made with Aurate. So this is the white gold version of the medium hoop. What else? My everyday pearl necklace that I always wear. The white gold necklace, gold and silver ring together. I believe they did restock the collection. You can get 30% off, like no minimum spend. But this is the last discount code for the Tranquility Collection. Use my code MC Last Chance. And also, like, Mother's Day is just around the corner in case you wanna give your mom something. I have this matching ring with my mom, and now I am about to head to dinners.
Hello! It's my first time seeing you in like weeks.
Yeah, I haven't left the house.
Cheers to Michelle's first time out in 3 weeks. Hey, I'm good at this.
Very gloomy and rainy in New York. I love weather like this when I'm indoors. It's very peaceful, very relaxing. It's like a perfect lazy day weekend. What the heck is this? Oh, it's dry seaweed. How'd that get over there? I had some pork belly in the morning. Separation anxiety is real. I just moved and he popped his little head out. Hi, Dobby. So cute. As you guys can clearly tell, Dobby and I have just been having a lazy, rainy Sunday afternoon. Just been in bed. Ooh, the sun is out. Hi. I'll be right back. I am getting ready to go to a facial. I was invited by Chanel to experience one of their facials, and how can I say no to a facial, and how can I say no to Chanel? So off we go. I would say spring is always the hardest season to dress up. Spring lasts about like max 1 month, and I always tell myself like it's gonna get hot soon, I don't need to buy spring clothes, and this is where I always struggle. I don't have like transitional clothes. I have either winter clothes or summer clothes. Tell me that this is not the most work from home outfit. I realized I was wearing my pajamas this entire vlog and I felt kind of bad. I was like, Rochelle, you need to look more put together. What are you doing? So this was my little compromise. I got the top, a little one shoulder action, and then PJs at the bottom. I'm vacuuming my rug right now and I'm just seeing all these yellow dots everywhere because the amount of dogs that have peed on my white rug is actually crazy. When the dogs smell another dog's pee, they just want to pee on top of it. At my old apartment, it was easier to ignore it, but this apartment gets so much light. Like, look at this lighting on a cloudy day. You can see how I tried to like scrub some of it, and I think I scrubbed it a little too hard. Whatever. Got this body mist in like a little gift bag when I got my facial. It's body mist, right? I think it's body mist. I almost put this on my face because I thought it was a face mist. Oh, that smells really good. This one's really clean. It's not like a laundry type of clean. It smells like a floral, I wanna say. This is something I would want to spray on my body after I come out of the shower, and just like, this is how my body naturally smells like, you know? I'm going to wind down for the night and take a bath, which has been one of my favorite things to do lately. I don't think I've ever taken a bath in my previous apartment, which means it's been 2 years since I've taken a bath, and I get it. I get why people love taking baths, because they just feel so good. These are frozen grapes. If you guys want a healthy snack idea, try freezing grapes. They're so good. Took a shower, starting my morning off by doing therapy. I just gotta get comfortable. I get like nervous before I start. just finished therapy. In the beginning, when I first started therapy, I wasn't like really sure if this was like effective or working for me. But now that I've been doing it for a couple years now, I'm starting to see the effect because now I'm able to connect the dots. And like relationships got to be like the most complex thing. Like whether that's relationship with others or relationship with yourself. Like in order to improve, you have to constantly work on it. You know, there's just so many personalities in this world that like to have the ability to understand someone's personality trait and speak to them in a way that can be received well, talk to them in their love language is huge. And I think sometimes we think the way we think is the right way, but it's not always the right way. And that's why I think therapy can be a very humbling, eye-opening, scary, but also rewarding and comforting experience. Just like how we get health checkups, dental checkups, this is a mental checkup that I can get with like a professional where it's completely safe and non-judgmental. Working on myself, unpacking a lot of things. I love therapy and all, but it is exhausting, like mentally.